Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So right here on my screen you can see that currently I have about $275 worth of my balance right here on this exchange. This is Antbit exchange wallet. So just like we previously had Antbit network, when they actually distributed their token, and along the line they actually got disconnected with the exchange platform that they were operating with, which is StreamPay. So and recently they have actually developed their own exchange, which is what we are currently using right here now. So I'm going to show you how you can claim $24 worth of Bitcoin instantly for free, and then you go ahead and claim 10,000 worth of antivirus token. So if you click right here, you can see many options and functions available on this app. So just click on this three dotted line by the left of corner. You see various things you can be able to go through. So just like we have transfer coins and tokens here, buy and sell. So this is their token, antivirus token and Antbit. So you can actually get enough of this token by following this step-by-step method that I'm going to guide you through using this particular video guide. So first of all, when you register, you'll be given this balance right here, $24 worth of BTC. So it will be here in your balance, and it will also reflect right here. So if you actually, let's go through their Telegram channel and examine what is their current info there. So you can actually tap right here to get to the Telegram. So when you click here, you see claim more info. So you get to the Telegram. So right here we are on their Telegram. So we actually clicked on Antbit token platform. So let's just click on the following function here. So you just join us on Telegram. Right here it has taken us to their Telegram platform. So here on their Telegram platform, there are a lot of infos that have been published right here. So first of all, the last info that we actually had here is regarding the swapping of the token, which is Antbit to USDT. So once you've claimed it, so all Antbit members kindly be informed that you can swap as little as $10 Antbit token to USDT on the Antbit P2P. So exchange / wallet, and you can transfer your swap to USDT to other exchange or wallet easily. So this is actually the key point of what we are focusing on in order to benefit from this project. So we actually claiming this token, and once it is ready for swapping, we will go straight and swap and exchange it on other wallet. So they actually had affiliate with StreamPay, which they have recently disconnected, and they made a development of their own project, which is the exchange that we're going to be using to claim their free token. So let's go back and carry out the task that we are required to do in order to claim their free token. So instantly you receive this $24 worth of this token in BTC. So you come down here and then earn more. So just click here, earn more, then claim 10 antivirus, claim 10 antivirus. So these are the tasks that you can actually complete. So you can also go through this KYC or security section to take more info from there. So and you can as well refer to earn more of this antivirus, which you can actually convert later and swap them to other cryptocurrencies such as stablecoin USDT. So if you tap on this transfer coin / token, you will see swap and send. So if you want to swap the one you have, and while we wait for them to make more development on this project, we actually have option for swapping of this current token that we have actually claimed. Then you click on this and select USDT, then you tap the amount you want to swap and you proceed to swap the token to USDT. Now this function is not currently working, so you have to be patient and make sure you claim your token. The link will be in the description of this video, and then do more of this follow up, such as refer and earn more of this token, and as well follow this task session to complete more of these tasks in order to get more advanced token for yourself. So that is basically what you need to do. So when you click on send, you will see that this option is also available, such that you can actually send out your BTC that you've actually received on this app, on this exchange platform. Then you paste the wallet address where you have actually copied it, maybe from Trust Wallet or Binance. Then you put the amount you want to transfer. So that is basically what it's all about. So you also need to make use of this if you have cryptocurrency already swapped into USDT. So you directly withdraw to exchange wallet address. So that is basically everything you need to know about this particular exchange that we got from I-TECHTIP platform. So we keep tracking their latest info to be able to know the next project agenda that they have for their users. So it's a big community that constitutes about 24,000 members, and is just an amazing project. I believe it will not be a waste of time, because this whole body of personalities that have actually come to affiliate with this project have great expectation in view, and I believe that they are not going to make it a waste of time for people, but to make it a beneficial project for everyone who has given out time to participate and follow up in their community. So guys, use the link in the description of this video and get registered, then claim more of this token through referral, and as well complete tasks to earn more of their tokens for free. It's absolutely free. You can as well swap it for free according to them, with a minimum of 10 USDT for free, and withdraw directly to your own exchange address. So don't forget to like this video if it has added value to you, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video.